So the Samsung Galaxy A52s is coming to India and Samsung has now officially confirmed the same. The company has started teasing the launch and a dedicated page on the website has also gone live where you can sign up to get notified whenever the phone launches. Now, while there is no official word from Samsung regarding the launch date, a user on Twitter revealed that the launch is taking place on the 3rd of September. Along with the launch date, he also revealed the price for India. So in this video, let us talk about the Galaxy A52s 5G. Before beginning with the specifications, it is worth mentioning that the Galaxy M52 is also coming soon and it is said to be quite similar to the Galaxy A52s 5G, so you can consider it as a cheaper version of the A52s. Anyways, the Galaxy A52s has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset, and this is the chipset we have seen powering the phones like the Realme GT Master Edition and the Motorola H20. Now both of these phones cost above 25,000 in India, so it won't be a big surprise if the A52s is priced even higher than these phones. In terms of the display, you are getting a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate. There is a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and on the back the phone gets a quad camera setup. This camera setup includes a primary 64 megapixel sensor, a secondary 12 megapixel ultra-wide, a third 5 megapixel macro and a fourth 2 megapixel depth sensor. Now the primary camera also has optical image stabilization, so that's nice. The phone is also IP67 certified for protection against water and dust, and it does come with a headphone jack. There are stereo speakers as well. Now in terms of the build quality, you are getting a polycarbonate back and Gorilla Glass 5 on the front. Finally, in terms of the battery, the Galaxy A52s has a 4500 mAh cell and the phone supports a 25 watt fast charging. So yeah, that's all about the Galaxy A52s 5G. And now talking about the price in India, there will be two variants of the phone, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. The base variant is going to be priced at Rs 35,999, whereas the 8GB variant at Rs 37,499. So in terms of the price, the A52s is certainly not as aggressively priced as, let's say, the Realme GT Master or the Motorola H20. But this pricing does mean that the Galaxy M52 5G could start under Rs 30,000 in India, so that phone is going to directly compete with the Realme and Motorola phones. Anyways, what do you think of the Galaxy A52s 5G and its leaked pricing? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.